We work on jute and other allied fibers. One of the allied fiber is the flax or linseed fiber. This is the Indian flax and it is mostly used for the oil purpose. However, it is harvested beforehand and in green stage. Then 4 to 5% of the dry fiber you can extract from the stalk or stem. Now, here you can see this is the stalk or stem which is already rated. That means after harvesting at green state, it is kept in plain water for some days and this is dried, so that whatever comes out we can feed it into the machine. Now, this flax fiber extractor is essentially consists of some pair of scotchers. Whenever this dry stem comes in contact with the pair of scotchers, then the stem is broken down into different places and by shaking it we can get the fiber. The small pieces stem which is stuck to the stem, that is get down and we get the fiber. In this extractor we have the efficiency of 7 to 8 kg of dry fiber we can get per hour, and this scotcher is having the additional advantage that it is having the multi number of the scotchers, multi number of rollers, pair of rollers, so that the contact points are increased then in comparison of the existing scotchers. So, if the number of contact points is increased, then the breaking down into small pieces is essentially better than in comparison to the existing scotchers, and ultimately it enhances the scotching efficiency, which is I have said it is 7 to 8 kg of dry fiber per hour. The fiber whatever is coming from this scotcher is of better quality and uniform in nature, and it essentially helps in the blending and further unit operations for development of yarn and valuable products. Now, as you can see here that whatever input we have given to the flax scotcher, now this is the final output we are getting from the machine. As you can see here, this contains very small about the stem. Now, by vigorously sucking this, we can, the most of these small stems which is added to the surface of the fiber is dropped, and we are getting the final output from the machine is like this. Now, before getting the final fiber, which is the flax fiber for the further processing, so essentially it has to go down in another unit operations, that means passing through it a series of fins which is commonly called as hackling. Hackling is the operation through which whatever small amount of stems are attached to the fiber can be taken out, and finally we can get the fiber like this. So, essentially this is the flax fiber which we are getting for the further unit operations. This will go for further unit operations to develop yarn and fabric from this fiber singly or in combination with other fibers to get the blended products.